Hi everyone, welcome back. For those of you who are new here, my name is Melody and I am at Marshall's today. And first off, isn't this adorable? This is a ceramic sushi plate by Hello Kitty, or it has Hello Kitty on it. This is $13. For $8, they also have this plastic Hello Kitty plate. It's pretty good size too, right? They've also got these Barbie glasses here. It says limited edition with the glass straws. These are $15. And we can't forget Ken. Now these are adorable. We've got Hello Kitty glasses with the bamboo top. It looks like it came with straws, but I don't know if this the straws are missing. And this is just sitting like this. And they've also got another one back here that looks exactly the same way. I'm guessing that the straws have been misplaced. They are $15 for the two glasses. This bowl is $10. Found some Halloween here. We've got this cat makeup brush holder. This is $6. And here is a makeup brush holder. Look at that. That is $8. There's some soap, cinnamon spun sugar, $5. Cat soap dispenser for $5. That is a hard plastic, by the way. We've got this here. This is $5. This is plastic, but it's a little more flexible. Okay. Here's another brush holder shaped like a ghost for $6. Some beauty blenders. There's no price here. Here's a better look at some of the aroma diffusers that they had on the other side. We have a Frankenstein for $15, Kitty Cat for $13, and a ghost for $15. We've also got this version of a ghost for $15. Check this out. Isn't that interesting? This is $13. It's a skeleton hand coming up holding a rose. This is by Rachel Zoe. That's neat. It's pretty tall too. For $15, you've got this walking or rolling broomstick. Here's a scarlet pumpkin candle. That's nice. It's even got the lid with the black cat on top. This is $5. We've got Fright Night here. $8. Witch's Brew, apple cider, venom potion, and cauldron cooler. And they are $5.99, so $6 for these candles. How about this guy or gal? $13. Here's a larger version of those soda pop candles. How much is that? This is $10. Here is a terracotta ghost right here. He's pretty neat. Oh, how much is this one? $15 for this one here. Oh my goodness. What's this here? Oh. We have got the Headless Horseman here. $30. This does light up. And this is by the brand, let's see, is that Spooky Night? I guess Spooky Night. It's pretty neat. I like that. These frames are interesting. Very ornate. $10. Got the little mummy ghost here for $8. It does light up. We've got a few spooky mugs here. Boo for $5. This one's fun. Look at that. It's like a hot pink with skulls. This is $5. We've also got the jack-o'-lantern mug here too for $5. How about this one here? $5. I love how the jack-o'-lantern's looking up at the cat. Cobwebs and cauldrons. We've got the kitty cats with the bats for $5. We've also got some Mickey and Minnie mugs. Okay, now this one's interesting. Has ghosts on the inside. Hey Boo on both sides, and it comes with a little keychain charm. Okay. Death before decaf. We've got this set of 4 measuring cups with a poison apple. That's nice. It says it's hand painted for $17. This is cracking me up, but I also love it. Look at that. Uh-oh. How funny is that? How much is this? This is $17. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this. What does that say about me? Crazy cat lady, maybe? Well, no point in denying it. That's me. We've also got one with butterflies. Oh my gosh, I really like this. There's another one. Oh my gosh, I am a crazy cat lady. I can't resist it. It's too cute. Again, $17. This is cute. Sorry, I've got another mug, but this one was just too interesting to pass up. This is $10. This is cute. We've got the little ghost coming out of the jack-o'-lantern. How much is that? This is $17. Poison apple cookie jar. Is that $25? This little ghost here for $7. Look at these. These are adorable. $4. They have an airtight lid as well. That's nice. $8. $6. All right, crazy cat lady again. Look at this. Isn't that just so sweet? Lights up. All right, everyone, I'm putting the cat back. As much as I want it, I have no place to put it. Also, it's another item I'd have to dust. Well, everyone, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for coming along with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this type of content or do enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.